How to download YouTube video on Android. First of all, launch the YouTube application and make sure that it is updated. Once you have opened it up, and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So from here, if you want to or if you wish to download any video right here, all you have to do is navigate to that specific video, tap on three dots icon on next to that video, and from this menu box, all you have to do is simply tap on download video. Now the video is being downloaded. Depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time to download the video. Now, once the download is complete, in order to view your downloaded video, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. From here, scroll all the way down and tap on downloads. And under this section, you will be able to find all your downloaded video on your YouTube account. So that's the way to download video on YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.